For more information and current price, I included this product link in the description.
Fuel sawzall cut just as fast as any other one, if not a little bit faster than most that I've used, and was still comfortable and not hard on your hands and your arms to use. Convenient to grab something cordless and know it's going to have plenty of power and the ability to do what you need it to do. And it's something that I would use on a daily basis.
The fuel saw has more power than even a cord connected saw. It's comparable in weight and it made a nice straight cut. Seems to last a long time for the fact that it's a battery saw. And it's certainly more convenient not having to drag around a cord.
And power and cut through everything from wood to steel, better than the cordless sawzall that we have. The speed of cut seemed to be a lot faster. The batteries lasted longer.
It cut right through everything that we were cutting. The steel rebar, 2x4s, didn't matter. Cut right through it. And it felt sturdier and really felt well built when you're using it. It's definitely more mobile. You don't have to drag around the cord. You don't have to be near a power source. It's a total advantage as far as setup time and getting the job done.
The fuel sawzall is very aggressive, it was very powerful, cut was superb, cut right through it, even the hardest materials. Cordless is great, the battery life is outstanding, it'll outwork any other sawzall that I've ever used.
I have included this product link in the description. You can check out that link for more details and latest price.